Welcome to our video on Dropshipping Business 101, Essential Tips and Strategies for Beginners. If you're looking to start a new business or make money online, dropshipping could be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll give you all the essential tips and strategies you need to know to start a successful dropshipping business. First, let's define what dropshipping is. It's a fulfillment method where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, you work with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customer. This means you don't have to deal with inventory or shipping yourself. One of the most important steps in starting a dropshipping business is choosing a niche. You want to find a product that has a demand but isn't oversaturated in the market. Look for products that have low competition but high demand. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your store. Make sure to choose a clean and simple design that's easy for your customers to navigate. You'll also need to add product descriptions and images to your online store. Now, it's time to start marketing your products. You can use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to promote your products and reach a wider audience. You can also use methods like Google Ads or influencer marketing to get your products in front of more people. Managing your dropshipping business is crucial for its success. You'll need to keep track of orders, customer service inquiries, and shipping information. You can use tools like Oberlo or AliExpress to help manage your orders and shipments. Make sure to provide great customer service to keep your customers happy and coming back. And that's it. With these essential tips and strategies, you're now equipped to start your own successful dropshipping business. Remember to choose a niche, set up your store, market your products, and manage your business for the best results.